Hello everybody and welcome to the Excel spreadsheet edition of the equity analysis of a financial project. Now, I was just finishing and gave you the answers for the revenues. So now we're in the next step on the operating cash flows and we're on the variable expenses. Now, the variable expenses will be a short maths function table. There won't be statements included. Just C39 multiplied by G5. Convert them to euros. Okay, now we're going to the fixed expenses. Okay, fixed expenses in year 1 is just 0. So get the answer here is just no money earned. Okay, convert that to euros. Convert the rest of them to euros too. Okay, now into the next sum of the fixed expenses. Okay, now we're going into the EPITDA. Simply minus function tables. So we use revenues minus fair expenses for minus fixed expenses. Look at euros. Okay, depreciation. Nothing's been there so far because depreciation is here and it's still blank, which is what I'm going to do when I get to that point. So once I do that table, then this will change eventually, and I will earn profits and depreciations when I finish inputting the maths sum table. But for now, it's going to be just 0. Okay, now into the EPIT. EBITDA minus depreciation. Then I could paste that to the other letters up to L. Or that to euros. Now into the tax. Let's check where G7 is. Okay, so to make sure the other letters are G7, change H to G. Click G again, has to go all the way up to the end. If it's another letter, then you get a zero answer because it doesn't match to the 40% on the tax return. Euros. Okay. EPIT 1 minus T. Okay, depreciation. Let's start that again. That's in the wrong place. Okay, now we're on to the annual working capital. This will require a lump sum table. Okay, and it's percenter. Cancel. Alright, let's go on to the next one. Right, and that's correct answer. Okay, let's go to the next letter. Now we're going into the discount factor. Whereas for the rest of them, they had to be in K11. Although it's going to be 0 all over again. Okay, some of them require a lot of profits that they earned on the discount. The rest of them are just 0. So now let's go into the discounted CF. Okay, and okay, that is it for now. So, fortunately, we're out of time. So, I'm going to continue this and update this in the next Excel video and then finish this off. And I'll go down to the investment measures and then finish off the book value of equipment and finish this off as much as possible to get this financial project finished. So, hope you enjoy this. Very good so far. I hope you enjoyed all these appreciation of maths. So have a good day and enjoy your evening. Adios.